Introducing the Metallic Coat Bullets. These ultra-powerful multi-speed vibrating bullets are designed for use on all parts of the body. The black controller is made of a safe and pure hard plastic material, and the 2 1/4 inch long and 1 inch wide bullet is metallic plating over a safe and pure hard plastic material. Use this powerful stimulator on any erogenous zone and get thoroughly buzzed. It's easy to use. Turn the dial on either side of the controller, which uses 2 AA batteries, to the desired intensity of vibration. The Metallic Coat Bullets are available in silver or gold. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Metallic Coat Bullet with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Get great stimulation and good vibrations from the ultra-versatile Metallic Coat Bullets.